Tariki ne mirongo ibiri na isano n'imwe cy'umutinyo gatatu mwaka bw'ekiri bubere mirongo ibiri na inye cy'insa isano na ibiri cyabona mu basori twoneria Jumatatu asinero birewe kirano kwaneke mnango koletera ndamangana magia unagwatika kurwa chingongo cyonsi inye cyense umwanchi umurigere nyura nabakwenda gutobwatia asinse mo chiche mitandao asensemo ya Facebook Ndizi TV News Digital, YouTube Ndizi TV News, website www.ndizitv.net. Ititrene Kerubo Frida nolio kweneke mna chivi channel yogiria gwekera sole asenchira ya bene nere Lydia Mose chinga kitoroche abwatani korwa sekiombe gia kupet anene korwa soro sagirwa kisi baba guchaka bene okorobekana ase okomochia eserikali ase ogotaikirania amagania bononyo nabo mwanchi murigeria nigo chiskuru cyaboneta kwigurwa litko lierero ase kurende aborokia bataba gwikirana ase chiskuru ico nabigo moyega abuko bekera abasae ba NYS gutwani ngo bakokorekana litko lierero sensemeli ya Gilgil ime county ya Nakuru chinga cyomara yubense Dr. William Ruto abakagwikirana bene ase omoyigoyo Hastensemo chindo mwanchi murigeria niyo kumenya buna muraibekia magia waipa Kalonzo Musyoka nigarege kurege tindigo cia asabanyanyimbo abagotumeka ase ogoita abasae anene chinga kichokorobekana mwanchi murigeria ayongati yari nkoriganete asomo basorero toskatonyegera ngwira nande asegekeke kerobosyo elinde ngumanya mange asenchera iyo winye. Alright, mwanche murigeria ngo kwariga bena semesa ya mangana magia elinde nkomanye asenchera yowenye kwechaka amagia yebire bigani gotoka chaka korwa ase county ya Kisii asengo komanye buna magega yabateneneli bekyombe ya kupet korago chaka bene omugiro nigo ase orosagi rwa Kisii ababwatani korwa sekyombe kyo baba wesoke bene nabigogo chaka omugiro yo bakoragwa no munyakirogo bwekyombe ya kupet ase orosagiro Laban Ouko nigayane kebna eserikali terabakego ikirania amagani yabo nanya nabo nigo bakorera agati ya magani ali baganite serikali ebekego ikirania anene asokolika aborokia ba junior secondary school asomorobele o permanent and pensionable terms nabo igo komenterwa engere yabo ase bibyonsi bitaraba bigo ikiraniwa nigo banekia kogendera no mugiro yo nabo igo gotenyo bakoreri ase chiskuru oika eserikali yaberege kwimukia egetambukiro nabo igo gokora amoncherelyo.
Wana nitiyare ko chaka July turagero rapata bonika ase ngecheyo bari mu ntorgo school esa robo ya gatatu chibese cha promotion ya bari mu chena ni 1.5 million ase ngecheyo bari mu ntorgo school esa babu ya kane serikali yana chibese chaito cyanya gitari yani serikali yabagenda tware tokwe ase ngecheyo bari mu ntorgo school ayina mangaranga amange tukana rukwana bonika bageri muna abari bakenya kanda puppet kwa disukuru ageza ngani ngera amagara twatele
puppet Kisii branch. As you are seeing behind me, these are teachers from Kisii County who are already prepared for the strike that is starting today because of the strike note that was issued by our national officials led by our SG, that is Akelo Mzoli, and we are fully behind our SG. We have our reducible minimums, that includes full implementation of the CPF S2, confirmation of the JSS teacher, that is for 6,000, the government must confirm them, promotion of our teachers, the government must ensure that they have promoted our teachers, and many other demands, including our comprehensive medical cover. We are aware that the government has already reduced our comprehensive medical cover from 21 billion to 11 billion. We want them to increase that amount so that our teachers can be able to get proper medical care, and many other demands. We are prepared for this strike. Even if it goes for 3 months, we are ready as teachers of this country. We are aware that NAT has already pulled out of this strike. But remember, NAT and KUPPET, those are two unions which have different structures and different organizations. So for us, KUPPET, we are going for this strike as far as our demands as teachers of this country has been given by the government. Otherwise, tuko ngangali.
Omuyega bukobekerwa egutwa ase abasae ba NYS nigo bakogokorekana ase nsemo ya Gilgil ime county ya Nakuru tingaki omurai wense Dr. William Ruto abakagwikirana ase omuyegoyo okwana Ruto nigo abagakoenekyanga abasae abo nigo babere bakonyora amaigelio amaikirano asikulende gwikira omwaka ogocha nigo barachiko bagosoa abasae chiribu emerongebere asairera emerobile serikali yaberege kubeka elinde koenekebuna ngokonyeka bale nanya nabo nigo abagakoenekya okubwaterana kwabo ase chi sector anene asokolenda ebitotanene asibabeire bakoenekebuna ngosimeka bale emete.
I am very happy that this is 15,000 short of a few numbers. As I instructed, our intention is that by next year we will recruit 20,000 at a go. And we are making arrangements as a government to make sure that more young people benefit from this training and the attendant vocational training that comes with it. It has been encouraging to observe the success of strategic partnership and economic diversification initiatives. For instance, the collaboration between National Youth Service and the University of Nairobi Enterprise Services, UNES Limited, has spurred growth in various sectors. Similarly, agricultural projects such as expansion of Athi River have not only increased our agricultural productivity, but also positioned NYS as a key player in the edible oil market. Commendably, this turnaround extends further and covers a robust contribution to environmental conservation through the Greening Kenya initiative, which has added significant momentum to our goal of NYS planting 1 billion trees by 2032. This dedication to preserving Kenya's national and natural heritage deserves commendation. I want to also announce that
Chingaketio boigo ni gorto agokera egetambukiro ky'abasae ba NYS ase okorokia chimbwa chingia chingakitya maigelio abo nanya nabo nigo nikebuna nigo babere bakwenyorera obumanyi bwekerengo keigoro mono obarabe bagotumeka asoko egenderelia.
I congratulate you and commend you for demonstrating exemplary honor, discipline, patriotism, and a willingness to learn and the courage to take on new challenges. Your resilience and determination embody the founding principles and spirit of our National Youth Service. I appreciate that it takes a community to nurture a young person. And today's ceremony reflects the culmination of intensive collaboration and contributions from various members of the National Youth Service community. The dedication of instructors, mentors, administrative staff, and the organization's leadership in equipping recruits with essential skills and knowledge is on full display today. It is this level of commitment that ensures our youth are educated, trained, motivated, disciplined, and prepared to contribute effectively to the transformation of our nation. I see also in our midst parents who have been praying for these recruits, who have mentored, educated these young people for us to pick up from where they left. I want to tell all the parents, we hold you in high esteem for what you're doing for our young people. It is essential that the National Youth Service, which plays a key role in our paramilitary training, as well as our technical and vocational agenda, continuously evolves to respond to the ever-changing socio-economic environment and dynamic challenges of our
Omurai bekiama gya Wiper Kalonzo Musyoka nigarurige kure getindi gochia ase abanyanyimbo ababere bagotumekwa bobe anene goita abasaye anene chinga kichicho korobekana kwa basaye ba Genzi asa mochiri ababwatani korwa se kyombe gya ipo asogotayimukiria abanyanyimba bu egetambukero boigoni go Kalonzo bagakorwa ebirengeri byaye kubwatkana no morobelio omoya yubo kubwatka chibesa elinde gosira chisemi asensemeri University sensemo ya yomurai bekiama gya DAP Kenya Eugene Wamalo anaboigo mulikyo monene bekiama gya Jubilee Jeremia Kioni nigo baene kiatene nibuna Kalonzo nigarachiko bagakwirali bagalia bene ase okora obomo bwa Azimio la Umoja chinga kibaba koganelia omurai bekiama gya ODM Raila Odinga amaya ase okorwanira ekiro kyobonyakirugo ase chinse chobomo bwa Africa.
Independent Police Oversight Authority wamekuwa incapacitated to the level wale askari waliua vijana miezi miwili baadaye hatujasikia hata mmoja wao amekamatwa na amepelekwa kwa mahakama. If you are going to make university education only for the rich and not for the poor will rise and claim their position.
Mzee wetu Raila akienda Addis Ababa sababu anaenda kuwa officially released aende kule AU. Sisi wishi Mwela akienda kule AU. Lakini tunaobaki tukiwa na Kalonzo Musyoka za team leader tutaendelea kuwapigania. Mtatuombea.
Tutatembea Kenya mzima tukiwa tumeongozwa na Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka na ni vizuri tumuunge mkono for the sake of this country.
Ababwatani nigo bagendete gwesokia bene naboigo kurwa ebirengeri byabo kubwatkana no morobelio omoyabo kubwatka chibesa irinde gosira chisemi ase ebirengo bigoro okwana nigo bene kevna omorobelio yo nigo rabe kogosiekerera abangesko anene aborkyo bali bakorokorwa se chinka chitali kwenyara ase kulende babere bakubolia eserikali kuliga chinjira naboigo gokora amonchirilio ase omorobelio yo.
The instrument lacks a scientific basis, excluding many young people, especially those under 18. The alarming number of students unable to secure loans or scholarship highlights a funding model that is purely conceived and fails to protect the people from systemic exclusion.
It was not exhaustively taken through the public fabric for it to be treated as a reflection of what the Kenyan people wanted in terms of a new funding model.
Our stand as Elimu Bora has been this process, the whole process is just going to disenfranchise some few.
Mancho muligerelia kurwa sorbotioroni na ikiromo ile obokumurikira mangana maya asebre biga kulinde tuska twanyegera chikuraga chinsa 10 ayona mangi no bego kwenyora asenchira yobwenge nabakwenda kutubwatia sense mochi chemitandao asensemo ya Facebook Ndizi TV News Digital, YouTube Ndizi TV News, website www.ndizitv.net. Magach kamera soko ne kibna ebicha na boigelio gira gukira sole asenchira ya benene relidia mose na ncheria ne kerubo Frida twara obulgeria borobia.